Alright, what's up, y'all? We back with another one, man. As you can see, last video we had took out the oil galley plug. So this is what the old one looked like. I mean, it wasn't like perfectly. Like I said, I'm curious that if under pressure, like running, does it bypass it? Not 100% sure, but either way, one thing for certain, if you in there already, you might as well go ahead and swap it out. So that's what the old one looked like. This is what the new one looked like. We're gonna pop it in there. I had a metal one somewhere that somebody had gave me, or I bought it from somewhere. I don't know where it's at. It might be in my truck, but I ain't finna go digging for it. So we got a new galley plug we finna install. And then we also finna go ahead and put new rear main seal on there. As you can see here, Dorman sells one. They got everything with it. Part number 635518. Rear main seal kit. It comes with bolts. It comes with the bolts, new gasket, the instructions. They say something about a tool you should use to install it, but from the people that I talked to, even if you don't use a tool, like it don't mess up. So we'll see. Like I said, I'm just really like, I don't even really need to do this. I don't even know if I'm gonna mess with this. Like, I might say that to put on this motor, because it's gonna need one. But for this one, for the purposes of what we want to do, I just want to change out the galley plug and see if that shit increase my oil pressure. If it do, good. If it don't, then yeah, not good. So pop this in, put that cover back on, and then I'll cut y'all back on. All right, so here we are under the belly of the beast. I got a brand new oil galley plug here that we're gonna install like that. It is literally that simple. All right, now we're gonna put all the bolts back up in there, bitch. Crank that bitch up. We'll put some oil in it. See what the pressure look like on game. All right, so now we got that done. We're gonna put this bullshit ass 5W30 in there. Because like I said, I'm not expecting it to do. I mean, I am, but I'm not. You know what I'm saying? Like, it'd be great if it did, but I'm a realist at the same time, and I feel like it's just not gonna act right. So we're gonna put this 530 in there, 5 quarts exactly of the right weight oil, and we're gonna see what happens. Alright, we're gonna turn it over. Let it finish flowing out, but for the most part, you got your 5 quarts. Good to go. I'm gonna put this down here under the under or behind the engine. Oh, there got that boat I was looking for. It's alright. That flywheel gotta come back off. Anyway, I'll tell y'all why maybe. Alright. So alright, so as you can see, engine being held up, oil has been poured into the engine. Should be good. Keyword, should. Now we don't have the O2 sensors hooked up, so I don't know what that's gonna do. So I don't know if it's going to actually run. It might not. But we are here to fuck around and find out. Oh yeah, I forgot I gotta put these fucking spark plugs back in this bitch. And I really feel like this is part of the reason like that motherfucker didn't want to fire up the way it wanted to. Cause look how. Yeah, let me find 4. Well, I know I got 4 somewhere. I keep them around me when I move. So yeah. Let me put 4 new plugs in here, put these wires back on, and then see what's cracking. All right, so now I think we got pretty much everything back together enough to do a test of the oil pressure. Let's see what happens. Why is the battery so low? Let me see something. Let me put Big L on it. I know who Big L is, right? Let me put that 9mm on that boy. Let me put that 9mm on that boy. Is this the same type? But some of them be having different. Some of them be having different connectors. They don't all play together. What's loose? Is it something loose? Maybe. Negative. Positively trying to jump that bitch off. We got a brand new light in this bitch. Alright. I thought we at least have some kind of oil pressure. That bitch ain't jumping off from nothing. All right, I think I fixed it. Yeah. Now I can hear everything. That oil pressure still low than the beach. So, as I suspected, it was not the barbell. It is definitely cam bearings, something else. So, as we continue, we'll be pulling everything off of this. Get ready to pull this engine up out of there. Thank you for tuning in for another one. Remember, identify your weaknesses and make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop.